who's ever been to the symphony orchestra? The symphony, the Windsor Symphony Orchestra, the inner workings. We're going to set the stage for the symphony, and then we're going to get our instruments out, and we're going to make some music. So I hope you're all ready for that. And did you get your music ahead of time? Oh, our librarian must have failed to send you the music. All right. So can you tell me what kind of people are involved in the Windsor Symphony Orchestra? Musicians. Who else is involved in the Windsor Symphony? Not just musicians. A conductor, that's right. So we need a conductor. How much sound does a conductor make? Nothing. Okay, percussion, you need to stand with your section, buddy. Okay. Okay, we ready? Let's hear your percussion roll. Ready, and... Great! Hey, you guys sound good. Okay, one more time. Hey. Good. Down, up, down, up. Now, stop. So watch your orchestra's going to fall apart. Alright? Okay, so you all set? Okay, I'm just going to get some going. Ready? And down, down, up. I need more sound.
Wake me, shake me, don't let me sleep.